Sunday Best has now donated thousands of dollars raised during a concert and telethon to help with flood relief in Johnson County. The band partnered with the Foundation for Appalachian Kentucky for an event that aired live on WYMT, raising nearly $50,000. Earlier this month, some of the funds raised were given out, including $5,000 to the Red Bush Volunteer Fire Department. Firefighters will use that money to pay for a storage building.
We are going to take and use that storage building to store the leftover flood relief items, blankets, and a lot of the cleaning kits and stuff like that. We're going to put that in that storage building and keep that in case of further storms or whatever.
They also gave $15,000 to the Johnson County Family Resource Youth Service Center. Officials there say the money will go toward their flood relief project, which helps students affected by the flooding.